Here are 4 USMLE-style questions focused on T-cell differentiation, including T-cell precursors from the bone marrow, maturation and selection in the thymus, role of the cortex and medulla, differentiation into CD4+ and CD8+ T-cells, each with 5 options and full explanations. Question 1, origin of T-cells. T-cell precursors originate from which of the following sites before migrating to the thymus? A. Thymic medulla, B. Spleen, C. Bone marrow, D. Lymph nodes, E. Peyer's patches. C. Bone marrow. Explanation. T-cell precursors are formed in the bone marrow. They then migrate to the thymus for maturation. Why others are wrong? A. Thymic medulla is for late selection, not origin. B, D, E are secondary lymphoid organs, not the site of T-cell origin. Question 2. Location of positive selection. During T-cell maturation, positive selection occurs in which part of the thymus? A. Bone marrow, B. Thymic medulla, C. Thymic cortex, D. Peripheral lymph nodes, E. Spleen. Answer. Thymic cortex explanation. Positive selection equals can the TCR recognize self-MHC? This occurs in the thymic cortex, where cortical epithelial cells present antigens. Why others are wrong? A. Bone marrow equals hematopoiesis. B. Medulla equals negative selection. D. E. Peripheral sites not involved in T-cell maturation. Question 3. Lineage commitment. During thymic development, a T-cell expressing both CD4 and CD8 is called double negative, B. Single positive, C. Double positive, D. Memory T-cell, E. Regulatory T-cell. C. Double positive explanation. In the cortex, immature T-cells express both CD4 and CD8, double positive stage. Following selection, they become single positive CD4+ or CD8+ cells. Why others are wrong? A. Double negative early precursor, no CD4 CD8. B. Single positive equals mature CD4+ or CD8+. D, E, E come after functional activation. Question 4. Negative selection site. Where does negative selection of T-cells primarily occur? A. Thymic cortex, B. Bone marrow, C. Spleen, D. Thymic medulla, E. Lymph nodes. Answer. D. Thymic medulla. Explanation. Negative selection equals elimination of T-cells that bind self-antigen too strongly. Occurs in the medulla via medullary epithelial and dendritic cells to prevent autoimmunity. Why others are wrong? A. Cortex equals positive selection, B, C, E, not involved in central tolerance. Want these compiled into a